Want to improve your IELTS speaking score? Well, here are 3 simple tips that can help you improve very quickly. Tip number 1, extend your answers. Many students give short answers like, yes, I like reading. But a better response would be something like this. Yes, I love reading, especially mystery novels, because it's fascinating to see how detectives solve crimes. Remember, it's your job to show the examiner how good your English is. Tip 2, don't use basic words. A lot of students like to use very basic words like good, bad, boring. Well, these will probably keep your vocabulary band quite low. Instead, here are some examples of some higher level vocabulary. Instead of good, you can say fantastic. Instead of bad, you can say terrible. Instead of boring, you can say dull. So here's an example. The special effects in the movie were fantastic, but the storyline was quite dull. Tip 3, don't memorize answers. The examiner can tell if you memorize answers, and it's going to make you sound a bit unnatural. So examiners are taught to ignore memorized answers and not count them towards your band score. So if you give a really fantastic answer that you have memorized, but the rest of your speaking is a bit average, well, you're not going to get a high band score. Just try to speak as naturally as you can, like a human, because you don't want to sound like a robot.